It's a Sunday, first time going to Atimonan. Today is another maxi scooter ride. Umalis kami ng Shelbinian around 5 AM. Pupunta kami ng Atimonan for lunch and Tayabas para magmerienda. Pero before that, mag-quick stop muna kami dito sa Quezon Arc in Tiaong. Mag-take lang ng pictures and videos, lalo na first time ko dito. Then maybe in the future, kapag ride din sa Bicolandia Arc and makapag-picture din doon.
Staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, babe.
So right now, nasa Chaong pa rin tayo.
Then
Kung titignan nyo yung left side, andyan yung ginagawang SLEX TR4 na under construction. I think i-connect nyo yung Calamba and Lucena. Anyways, we are planning to have breakfast sa McDonald's Pagbilao. Dadaanan namin yung Candelaria, Sariaya, and Lucena.
just trying to forget.
Tapos imimit namin si Sir Mar kasi siya yung mag-guide sa amin sa Atimonan and Tayabas.
Love me like that, love me like that. Oh.
Right now, I'm taking videos using my Insta360 1R. Naka-mount siya sa windshield ko and Hero 7 on my helmet. Nag-decide ako na ilagay yung 1R sa windshield kasi napansin ko nandun yung mga best angle sa harap and pag nakatapat sa akin. So marami akong mount sa X-Town pero itong ride na to, yung sa windshield mount lang talagang nagamit ko kasi parang perfect angle na for me yun eh. Maybe in the future videos, pwede ko i-discuss yung mga different mounts and yung output niya for Insta360 1R. So after breakfast dito sa McDonald's Pagbilao, didiretso na kami ng Old Sigsag Road or Bitukang Manok. Since nandito na si Sir Mar, siya na yung mag-guide sa amin papunta doon. By the way, pagdating ng Atimonan, join kami with the X-Town Club of the Philippines. Nag-overnight kasi sila sa Atimonan while kami nag-day ride lang. So pag na-meet namin sila doon, magjo-join kami for lunch and makiki-join na rin kami going to Tayabas. So habang dumadaan dito sa Old Sigsag Road or Bitukang Manok, nag-decide na lang ako na i-separate yung full video nung ride dito para may separate video yung ride namin or pagdaan dito sa Old Sigsag Road or Bitukang Manok. Magki-quick stop din kami dito sa area na to and also sa Atimonan Park for pictures, videos, and makapagpahinga ng sandali. So we are going to Atimonan today to meet with the X-Town Club of the Philippines and join them for lunch.
Is my body electric for reasons to make a mistake? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling? Yeah, I know that we've been fighting. And I know that we've been good. And I believe that you've been hiding. 'Cause you're so misunderstood. 'Cause I'm looking for something bigger than an understated mood.
For some reason, medyo umambon and umulan dito malapit sa coastline ng Atimonan. Although huminto din naman kagad, medyo unpredictable kasi yung weather. Meron kasing bagyo sa Mindanao. But generally, itong ride na to the whole day, maayos naman yung weather. Medyo makulimlim lang sa ibang area.
Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling? What else can make me feel this way? This must be love that I'm feeling. Is this love that I'm feeling?
Naka-check-in yung X-Town Club sa De Gracia Resort. So, imi-meet muna namin sila. And once na-meet na namin sila, didiretso na kami sa Dubs for lunch.
Is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, this must be love. This.
So this time, kasabay na namin yung X-Town Club and medyo gutom na ako. But malapit-lapit lang naman yung Dubs. And para makapagpahinga din after lunch. This part where Dubs is located is no longer Atimonan pala. This is Plaridel. Pero close kasi sa Atimonan kaya lagi kong sinasabi Atimonan pa to. nag-order ako ng grilled liempo, around 149, and iced tea na rin sa drink. Ayoko masyadong mag-heavy meal kasi pag rides. After mag-lunch and makapagpahinga ng sandali, didiretso na kami going to Tayabas. Ang agenda namin going there is makapag-picture and video sa Malagonlong Bridge, makapag-snack and halo-halo merienda sa Nanay Simengs, and bumili din ng pasalubong sa Calle Budin. So nag-stop muna kami sandali dito sa mermaid statue para mag-picture din and videos, syempre for memories. One thing I can say dito sa halo-halo sa Nanay Simengs is masarap siya and madami siyang toppings. Yung overloaded niya is 100 plus lang. Dito sa Calle Budin, bumili ako ng madaming buding. Para siyang maliliit na kasaba cakes. Bumili din ako ng Lokban Longganisa, which is yung favorite longganisa ko. Of course, tinawag siyang Calle Budin kasi famous siya for mga budin. Maraming store dito na nagsisell ng mga budin and other pasalubongs na din. Meron sila dito mga tikoy, yema, lampanog, and madami pang iba. It's a good ride, especially nakapag-join kami with the X-Town Club. Thanks to X-Town South and X-Town Club of the Philippines for this Atimonan ride. As a newbie rider na nakabili lang ng first motor or two wheels ko last year, nakakatulong siya para maging komportable ako with my two wheels. Lalo na pag long ride. So right now, medyo komportable na ako ng long ride and mga longer destination. Maybe sa mga next ride ko pwede nang mag-overnight or mas malayo pang destination. Inuunti-unti lang natin kasi mas better na maging komportable muna ako. And who knows kung saan ang susunod na ride. So for now, enjoy na lang muna the remaining few minutes ng video while it ends. And yun, have a good week and ride safe.